Okay, from here, turn your palms facing up, reach your arms out to the side, turn your palms facing down, exhale, lower. Inhale, reach the arms out to the side, and exhale as you lower. And once more, palm facing up, inhaling, and exhaling. Bring the hands together, turn the fingertips facing up, inhale as you reach the arms up over the head. Exhale as you bring the hands back to the heart center. Inhaling as you reach the arms up. Exhaling back to the heart. Inhaling, reaching up. Exhaling. And once more, inhaling. And exhaling. And releasing. Bringing your hands together and bringing the elbows together. Rising the arms up to shoulder height. Dropping the shoulders down and away from the ears. Press the hands into one another. Press the elbows into one another. Now, if that feels too much, having the elbows at shoulder height, drop the elbows down toward the chest more. Otherwise, keep the elbows at shoulder height whilst drawing the shoulders down and away from the ears, whilst lengthening through the crown of the head. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And releasing, rolling out through your shoulders. Turn the backs of the hands to face each other. Reach the arms up to the sky. And exhale behind you. Palms facing away from each other, so backs of the hands towards each other. Inhale up to the sky. Exhale out behind. And once more, backs of the hands towards each other. Reach the arms up. And away. Rolling out through the shoulders. So either the same again, hands together, elbows together, or we can make it a little more challenging. So elbows are bent, hands are pressing into one another. From here, taking your right hand and crossing that underneath the bottom of the left. Bringing the backs of the hands towards each other. So your right arm crosses under the bottom of the left, bringing the backs of the hands towards each other, or in that direction. They might be quite far apart. Drop your shoulders down and away from the ears. So if you do have a strap here, if the arms feel like they need a little bit of, rather than them floating in the air, you can have the strap in your top arm. And then you can take hold of the strap. You don't need it, but if you want that there. And breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. And releasing, rounding through the shoulders. So we're stretching out all the shoulders. Okay, other way, hands together, elbows together. That might be enough. Drop the elbows down if you need to make it a little easier. This time, left arm underneath the bottom. Backs of the hands towards each other or in that direction. Use your strap if you want to. Strap in the top hand and then bottom arm around. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in, try to reach the arms away. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. And once more in and out and release. Oh, let's extend the arms forward, extend out through your fingertips, and then draw the elbows back, hands to shoulders. Reaching the arms forward and drawing the arms back. Draw those elbows back and once more reaching forward. And drawing the arms back and releasing. Stretching out through the neck, allowing the ear to drop toward the shoulder. Breathing into the side of the neck. If you want a slightly deeper stretch, reaching the right arm out. Gently having the hand on the top of the head. So the right arm, if you've got your right ear down, it's that arm that reaches up and over. If you want a little more stretch, you can extend the left arm out slightly. Gently rising the head back up. Opposite ear toward the shoulder. Other arm, left arm reaching up to the top of the head. So rather than the centre of the head, it's slightly to the side. And if you want more, reaching the right arm out. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. A deep breath in and a deep breath out. Deep breath in and away, rising the head back up, rolling through the shoulders, taking the gaze to one side and back to centre, and the other side and back to centre. Gaze to one side, centre, and the other, centre. Good. Give a little shake out through your arms. Well done.